Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, the weekend is here. Hopefully you guys are ready. Now I don't know what you got planned for the weekend, if you're going to be dressing to impress or if you're going to be super casual for the whole weekend, but we got a couple of watch faces that's going to fit both occasions. Now these watch faces are free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, so make sure you go download right after the video. But let's have a closer look at this watch face. Now, the name of it is called GK13 version 3.0.0. Very nice looking, elegant watch face. Now in AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look. In the AOD mode, it's going to be an analog look. But when the watch face is on, I like the look of this watch face. It screams premium all day long. Now you got a classic look with a touch of modern, right? You're gonna get the 3, the 9, the 6, so far as your numbers. The index looks nice, they're gonna be red. Then your background is gonna be blue. Everything blends in perfectly with this watch face. I thought the developer did an awesome job. Now you're gonna get your battery percentage right here, which looks really nice, ties right into the watch face, and then you're gonna get your date right there. Now, if I tap on the date, I'm able to pull up my calendar, set an event, and if I tap right here, of course, I can go in and get my battery info. But overall, for an analog watch face, this one is nice. Definitely, it's a timepiece that you want to wear when you're going out. Now, you can dress down if you want to, color coordinate with whatever you have on for the day. But I'm telling you, this watch face, not just because it's free, is still worth the download, whether it was a paid watch face or free. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is called Gear S3 L20P. That's what I'm calling it, all right? So this watch face is really nice. It's a digital watch face. It is the 24-hour watch face. And in AOD mode, you are gonna get a decent digital time. When the watch face is on, you're gonna get big, bold digital numbers. I like that. And you're also gonna get over here your battery information. And you're also gonna get your date. And if I double tap, I can bring up the calendar on this one. And if I double tap down at the bottom, I can change the color of this watch face. Now, for those of you all who don't like 24-hour time, if you can get past that, this is definitely a nice watch face to have on over the weekend. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And have the greatest weekend ever. Party like it's 1999. Enjoy family and friends. But most of all, people, be safe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.